Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, Living Life with Leticia. Well, today we are finishing or putting the last final touches on the pavers and the mulch for both sides. The one side, this side here, we did the pavers. The other side is just mulch. And so we are finishing up, sprucing up, cleaning up, just making the sides look a little bit better too, because this backyard needs an overhaul and it needs one bad side. So here we go in the back again, and there I go with my antics. I can't stop it. I can't. That's what God gave me, the silliness in myself. But anyway, so yeah, we're putting the last final touches on that, and then we will be now getting ready to start the process of the pergola. We have measured and we called Okie Dig. They have come out. They have shown us where we can and cannot dig. We also contacted our homeowners association. They have told us that at least it needs to be, a structure needs to be 5 feet away from the fence, from the property line fence. So that means on all sides. So that's what we're doing right now. We're kind of measuring, and I think we're going to probably measure, remeasure, and measure the measurements that we measured when we measured measurements. I don't know. We're just going to do a whole bunch of measuring. Good thing he's doing it and not me. But we are choosing our wood, and we started out with treated wood, weather-treated wood, and we quickly realized that the weather-treated wood was not going to be our friend because it was going to curl up like a, I don't know, like a baby in a blanket. It curled up while we had it laying down on the ground, waiting on, us to get ready for it. What is she doing now? I think she thinks she's in a parade. Oh my God. Oh, what's wrong? Is she dancing? Oh, she's marching. Hold on. Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I think it's a bug on her. Whatever it is. She can't stop. We ordered these brackets here. They are, we ordered them through Amazon, and the first ones that I looked up were Toji Bar or something like that. But these are the cheap version of the Toji Bars because they were $300, $400, $500 for one. I got 4 for like $200. So anyway, they came in handy. I'm glad. I've been looking at Pinterest. I've been looking at YouTube. I've been looking at so many videos of how to do things. Of course, I looked at the brackets because there was options. What I was looking at to do, what I wanted to do was something smaller, just something back there in the corner. Well, it turned out to be a whole construction job now, so I'm going with the flow. I'm gonna let him do what he do, because he says I just let him do what he wants to do, and he'll get it done. So, by golly, let's get it done. I'm ready to relax. Eating in Lowe's once more and again. I mean, not Lowe's, in Home Depot. Yeah, I think we're at Home Depot today. We've been so many places. So many places. I'm confused. So, but anyway, we're looking for screws. Don't ask me what kind of screws. It's just a certain kind of screw they're looking for. Man, I'm glad he knows. Man, I swear, I'm glad God blessed me with him. We didn't get along working together, but yeah. So, okay, here we go. Work, we're gonna try. She's hobbling along. Something's wrong with her leg. I don't know what that's about. Well, she don't normally walk like that, but she has been for the last year. I probably just need to go to the chiropractor and get adjusted, but they hurt me more than they helped me. I've been going for a while, and I don't know, just my body seemed like it was not relaxing or doing whatever, even massages and everything here lately. I just haven't been able to just chill myself down. And again, stress is a lot that has to do with it. I've been under a lot of stress. My family's been under a lot of stress. So we just dealing with stuff, y'all. We just trying to deal it. And nobody knows behind the scenes what people are going through. That's one thing. People should not judge you from surface. Because, oh my God, there's so much going on in this world that affects us all. So much going on in our personal lives. So much going on in our work lives. And we got to deal with it all. We got to learn to deal with stuff. And God gives it to us. And He promises that He will not give us more than we can bear. But do we, Lord? Sometimes. I know we be thinking we at the limits. Whew. But He gives us another day. And another day. And another day. And I thank God for my days, and I thank God for my lonely, sometimes miserable nights, because I'm waiting to see if I can wake up from this awful dream that my mom's gone, but I don't. When I wake up, it's still the same way, and I'm just, So y'all cope with, but I try. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. I'm trying to make things normal again. So pray for me, and I'm praying for y'all. Y'all keep watching. But as all things in life, we have to, pray about it, let God handle it, and let God control it all. And that's what I try to do in most instances. Of course, but we're human, and we always try to step in. I'll pray for us during this Pergola event, Pergola Project. When you see us walking our hands, doing whatever, yeah, we're not having a good go of it, as they say. But, like I said, men think differently than women. We got the brackets, and he's got them all ready and set. But now we've got to, or eventually we're going to have to dig the holes and have those poles go down in the holes that we're going to dig. We're going to dig those, and we're going to put concrete in them. I'm renting an auger, and that will get the holes dug. Now, at this point, we don't have any holes dug. He's just trying to see how it's going to work. Well, again, I looked at Pinterest, and I've been looking at other videos, and they have like a ladder on both ends. And that way, that's if you're working alone. I'm trying to help as much as I can, but of course, it ain't what a man could do. So I'm limited to what I can do. And he knows that, and he's frustrated, and I am too, because I'm trying to help, man. When I was growing up, I was my granddad's right-hand man, or in the way person. He said he used to call me my helper, but I'm sure I was his hindrance. But anyway, while he was doing whatever, I was always assisting. He made our barbecue pit in the backyard of my mom's house. He made a little curb there on my mom's house, because the way her yard was made, she needed something, because back in the day they just had bricks. They didn't really have pavers like they do now. But anyway, so he made a curb, and I helped him with that, and that was concrete. And I learned how to watch him mix the concrete up, watch him stir it around, and how much water to put in there, and don't put too much, and just mix it as you go. And so I know stuff like that. I can do things like that, and he don't think I can. So those are the things that I can help on. But the things that he needed help on was way beyond my abilities. But we managed, y'all. So anyway, just keep watching. We're just about done with what we're going to be doing today. I think I'm going to call it an evening because I think it's around 7, 8 o'clock. And I'm not coming outside right now. It's too hot. I don't work well in the heat. But right now, it is a good time. But he's been doing this ever since about 4 o'clock because we went and rented the auger. And it makes it so much easier when you need a deep hole. We're going 3 feet down almost, 2.5 to 3 feet down. And then we needed at least, I can't remember the inches wide, but I will put them in the comment section. And I will put the information that we, as far as everything we use, I will list that down below or in the details. Oh, there she is. She back out. She's not done. There's a little bit more life left in a child. And anyway, I tell you, I just don't work in the heat well, and I appreciate the shade. I thank the Lord for it. Because, hunty, I would not have been good if I had to work back in the olden days. They would have had to probably make me, not for me. But anyway, right now, like I said, he's digging his holes, and there's dirt that goes back down off in there, once you pull the auger out. So he's hand pulling it out, and then he's using the yardstick to measure. That again is a rock bar that he's using right now. That rock bar, if there's a rock down there that's lodged somewhere, he could use that to kind of break it up or lift it up or pull it out or whatever it needs to do. So, honey child, we is doing the dang thing. And I'm going to have a pergola. I'm going to have a pergola. I'm going to have a chill spot, which is what the Lord has been saying in my head. Girl, get you a place, get you a spot in your home. And I have plenty rooms in my house, but none of them are like I just can, woosah, and bring it out to nature and bring it out under the stars or bring it out under the sky. I can't do the sun, but when it's no sun, when it's shade, or when it's the sun is going down, or when it's hasn't risen, because once it rises, it's over my house 24/7, the entire 8 hours, I think. I don't know. However long it is, it's long. And so my heating, not heating, but the air, basically, I get those things from PSO, that's public service, whatever. I don't even know what the of Oklahoma thing. But anyway, that's our power company, or Pava, if you're nasty. And so they send you a report every month and tell you how much energy you're using or how inefficient your house is. And mine continues to be inefficient according to them. But we have, full sun on our back, and we probably need to get some solar screens or something like that, so that way you can kind of shield some of that sun. But anywho, we've just about dug every hole we need to. We're about ready to take this, auger back. And so it definitely comes in handy. Again, it's about $89 to rent from Home Depot. They rent everything. They rent all kinds of tools like hammers and stuff like that, all the way up to like big equipment, huge equipment, like the little bobcats and stuff. They even have those, I think. I don't know, I may be lying. Who knows? Go check out for yourself. Home Depot did not pay me to say anything about what they got. So just in case though, Home Depot, hey, if I can rep for you, call a girl up, call a sister, all right? Because I need to make some money, and I don't want to work for it. Can anybody hire me? Just, I want a job and I just want to sit there. I don't want to be the welcome lady at the Walmart or nothing. That's too hard. Because now I got to see everybody that goes out. And in some areas, like in Dallas, they check your receipts. And I'm like, I don't get that where I'm from. Nobody checks receipts at Walmart anymore. I mean, and I understand them doing so because people do steal a lot. So I'm sure their theft is a lot, but I'm sure the money that they make is way over what they lose. But of course, nobody wants a loss in their business, but you have to realize people are going to take, because you got all kinds of people coming into your establishment, and until you can stop that from happening, you can't stop people from stealing. So that means not only do the prices go up, then they start looking all sideways at everybody coming in because they think now everybody's a thief. And I assume that's why those people stand there right there at the Walmart when you're doing the self-checkout. Now you got patrol on. Now you got a camera in your face, mind you. And the camera's taking your picture every second of the minute that you're standing there, whether or not you want it to or not. And that should be illegal, because sometimes I go into Walmart, I ain't 100%. So I don't want my picture to be taken until I'm ready for the photo to be shot. But anywho, that's my hang up. But Walmart, they got cameras in your face, probably cameras overhead, and then you got a person over here patrolling. I feel like it's the Walmart prison system. They keep you prisoner in there. They have low prices, so they know you're going to come back. And then you're going to spend your money. But then when you do come back, they're going to watch the heck out of you. Time you walk in the door, I'm sure, radars. Beep, 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 beep. So I don't even know why people do steal from Walmart, because I know they're watching every second of the minute. They got cameras out on the parking lot. And when they need the cameras, of course, they are up and working. But if you need a camera, child, they not finna. Forget about it. Me and him, we don't work good together. We love each other, but we couldn't work together. I don't believe we could do that. And this tells me that we can live together. Don't try to work together, because he got his mindset and I can't get into there, and I got my mindset and he can't get into here. So howdy doody. But he's wrapping it up. He says he's done for the day. You guys be blessed and be a blessing. Y'all keep praying for us. We got a long way to go. Deuces. Bye.